2023 Mazda Mazda3 Sedan. With less than 46,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. Fall in love with its many extra features, which include the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, backup camera, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, auto climate control, keyless entry. The open road is calling. Drive it home today.